Today, we're taking you on a journey through our incredible collection of 365 Spicery seasonings. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we showcase the variety of spices that will revolutionize your culinary adventures. Peri Peri Masala, a burst of tanginess and spice that leaves you wanting more. Peanut chutney powder, a savory companion that adds a delightful kick to your dishes. Ignite the fire of flavor with our sensational BBQ seasoning, an artful blend of spices that takes your grilling experience to the next level of smoky, mouth-watering perfection. Experience the magic of our ginger garlic paste as it enhances the taste profile of your dishes, leaving a lasting impression on your taste buds. Spice it up with our Szechuan mix, a game-changing blend that adds a spicy and aromatic twist to your dishes. Experience the taste of home with Kitchen King Masala, a treasured family recipe that infuses your meals with love, tradition, and mouth-watering flavors. Savor the symphony of sensations that aromatic powder brings to your plate, a harmonious blend of warmth, richness, and complexity that adds a touch of culinary elegance to every bite. Fall in love with the abundant goodness of our mixed herbs, carefully cultivated and blended to bring you a bouquet of flavors, empowering you to create extraordinary dishes with ease. Taste the magic of tamarind chutney powder, a versatile condiment with tangy, sweet, and savory perfection that keeps you coming back for more. Sprinkle on our cheesy seasoning for an instant burst of flavor that adds cheesy goodness and makes your meals unforgettable. Discover the secret to sizzling success. Our Veg Tawa Sizzler Spice Blend is the key ingredient that brings out the authentic flavors and aroma of your favorite sizzlers.